cartridges have been designed to meet the incredibly high expectations of the permanent makeup industry and include several handy features that make them the perfect choice for you and your clinic. I'm Charlotte from Killer Beauty, and today we're looking at the fantastic Lunar cartridges from Magic Moon, built for stability and safety. Want to find out more? Then keep watching. These universal needle cartridges are made up of high-quality steel needles encased within a clear plastic cartridge with an integrated silicone tip. Magic Moon has designed this pastel pink silicone finger ledge for comfort and control. But it does more than that. It helps create a seamless transition from machine to cartridge, preventing cross-contamination and backflow issues. Of course, barrier protection is still needed for maximum safety. These clear plastic cartridges all have long, slender tips that allow for great visibility and a clear pigment flow, something that really helps when working on delicate facial areas. Their design incorporates one straight edge, which prevents them from rolling off your work tray. Lunar PMU cartridges come in round shader, round liner, soft edge magnum and slope magnum configurations, with a long taper that's perfect for pixel effect and line work purposes. Or you can find an extra long taper on the round liner bug pin configuration. This taper is perfect for minimizing any trauma to the skin, especially on delicate skin types. These packs of 10 cartridges come individually packaged and EO-sterilized, and are compatible with all PMU machines which have a universal connection. You can pick up Magic Moon Lunar PMU cartridges now on the Killer Beauty shop by following the link in the description below. If you love our videos, let us know. Hit the like button or subscribe to the Killer Beauty YouTube channel for inspirational content, product highlights, and so much more.